In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, Google has once again raised the bar with its latest innovation, Gemini 2.0. This groundbreaking AI model marks a significant leap forward in the realm of intelligent systems, promising to redefine how we interact with technology. Gemini 2.0's arrival heralds a new era of AI, one characterized by unprecedented capabilities and a profound impact on various aspects of our lives. From revolutionizing productivity to enhancing communication, Gemini 2.0 is poised to transform the technological landscape as we know it. Its advanced algorithms and multimodal capabilities hold the potential to reshape industries, empower individuals, and unlock new frontiers in human ingenuity. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of Gemini 2.0, we will uncover its transformative power and the profound implications it holds for the future. At the heart of Gemini 2.0's transformative power lies its exceptional multimodal capabilities. Unlike its predecessors, Gemini 2.0 can seamlessly process and integrate information from various sources, including text, images, audio, and video. This remarkable ability allows Gemini 2.0 to understand and respond to complex queries and tasks that would have previously stumped even the most advanced AI systems. Imagine a world where you can simply ask your computer to create a presentation by combining data from a spreadsheet, images from your latest trip, and audio recordings from a meeting. Gemini 2.0 makes this a reality, effortlessly weaving together different modalities to generate comprehensive and insightful outputs. This multimodal mastery has profound implications for Google Workspace, the suite of productivity tools used by millions worldwide. With Gemini 2.0 integrated into Google Workspace, users can expect a significant enhancement in their workflow and productivity. Tasks that once required multiple steps and applications can now be accomplished seamlessly within a single interface. From generating summaries of lengthy documents to creating compelling presentations with minimal effort, Gemini 2.0 empowers users to achieve more in less time. This newfound efficiency has the potential to revolutionize how we work, learn, and collaborate. Beyond the realm of productivity, Gemini 2.0 extends its transformative reach to the domain of education, particularly in empowering parents to stay informed and engaged in their children's academic journey. In today's digital age, schools rely heavily on online platforms for communication, assignments, and grades. Gemini 2.0 acts as a centralized hub, aggregating information from various school systems and presenting it to parents in a clear and concise manner. Imagine a parent who wants to stay updated on their child's progress in school. With Gemini 2.0, they can simply ask, "How is my child doing in math class?" Gemini 2.0 can then access the school's online portal, retrieve relevant information such as grades, assignments, and teacher feedback, and present it to the parent in an easily digestible format. This eliminates the need for parents to navigate multiple websites and logins, saving them time and effort. Furthermore, Gemini 2.0's multimodal capabilities enable it to process and understand information from different sources, such as emails from teachers, announcements on school websites, and even social media groups dedicated to school updates. This comprehensive view of school communications ensures that parents are always in the loop, regardless of the communication channel used by the school. By providing parents with a centralized and streamlined access point for all school-related information, Gemini 2.0 empowers them to actively participate in their children's education. As with any technology that handles sensitive information, data privacy and security are paramount concerns when it comes to AI. Google understands this and has made robust security measures a cornerstone of Gemini 2.0's design. The model incorporates state-of-the-art encryption techniques to safeguard user data at every stage, from storage to processing to transmission. Gemini 2.0 employs a multi-layered approach to security, starting with data anonymization. This means that any personal information used to train or interact with the model is stripped of identifying details, ensuring that individual users cannot be identified or targeted. Furthermore, access to Gemini 2.0's core infrastructure is strictly controlled, with only authorized personnel granted access to sensitive data. In addition to these technical safeguards, Google has also implemented strict data governance policies to ensure that Gemini 2.0 is used responsibly and ethically. These policies dictate how user data can be collected, stored, and used, and they are regularly audited to ensure compliance with industry standards and regulations. By prioritizing data privacy and security at every level, Google aims to build trust and confidence in Gemini 2.0 as a reliable and secure AI platform. To truly appreciate the groundbreaking nature of Gemini 2.0, it's essential to understand how it differs from its predecessors. Previous AI models, while impressive in their own right, often struggled with tasks that required understanding and integrating information from multiple sources. They excelled in specific domains but lacked the versatility and adaptability of Gemini 2.0. For instance, previous language models could generate human-quality text but struggled to incorporate visual information into their understanding. Similarly, image recognition models could identify objects in images but lacked the contextual awareness to understand the relationships between them. Gemini 2.0 breaks down these barriers, seamlessly bridging the gap between different modalities. Moreover, Gemini 2.0 benefits from a significantly larger and more diverse dataset than its predecessors. This massive dataset, encompassing text, images, audio, and video from a wide range of sources, enables Gemini 2.0 to develop a deeper and more nuanced understanding of the world. This translates to more accurate and insightful responses, even when faced with complex or ambiguous queries. The combination of multimodal capabilities and an expanded knowledge base makes Gemini 2.0 a true game-changer in the AI landscape. One of the most remarkable aspects of Gemini 2.0 is its ability to understand and respond to natural language. Unlike previous AI models that often required users to phrase their requests in specific ways, Gemini 2.0 can comprehend the nuances of human language, including colloquialisms, idioms, and even sarcasm. This natural language processing capability makes interacting with Gemini 2.0 feel more like a conversation with a knowledgeable assistant than a rigid interaction with a machine. For example, imagine asking Gemini 2.0 to find me a good Italian restaurant nearby that's not too expensive. Gemini 2.0 can understand the implied meaning behind good, nearby, and not too expensive, taking into account factors such as user preferences, location data, and price range to provide relevant recommendations. This intuitive understanding of natural language makes Gemini 2.0 accessible to a wider range of users, regardless of their technical expertise. Furthermore, Gemini 2.0's natural language capabilities extend beyond simple commands and queries. It can engage in more complex conversations, understand context, and even exhibit a degree of empathy. For instance, if a user expresses frustration or sadness, Gemini 2.0 can recognize these emotions and respond accordingly, offering words of encouragement or suggesting resources that might be helpful. This ability to understand and respond to the emotional nuances of human language sets Gemini 2.0 apart as a more empathetic and engaging AI companion. Redefining productivity. Gemini's impact on workflows. The integration of Gemini 2.0 into Google Workspace promises to redefine productivity by streamlining workflows and empowering users to accomplish tasks more efficiently. Imagine a world where you can simply dictate an email, create a presentation with a few spoken words, or generate a report by asking for specific data points. Gemini 2.0 makes this a reality, transforming the way we work and collaborate. With its multimodal capabilities, Gemini 2.0 can seamlessly integrate information from different sources within Google Workspace. For example, a user could ask Gemini 2.0 to create a presentation about our latest marketing campaign, including data from the spreadsheet, images from the product launch, and key takeaways from the team meeting notes. Gemini 2.0 can effortlessly gather and synthesize this information, creating a comprehensive and visually appealing presentation in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Furthermore, Gemini 2.0's natural language processing capabilities extend to task management. Users can create to-do lists, set reminders, and manage their calendars using simple voice commands. For example, a user could say, "Remind me to send the report to John tomorrow morning," and Gemini 2.0 will automatically set a reminder. This seamless integration of AI assistants into everyday tasks frees up valuable time and mental energy, allowing users to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. Ethical considerations. Navigating the AI frontier. As with any transformative technology, the advent of Gemini 2.0 raises important ethical considerations that must be carefully addressed. The potential for AI to perpetuate biases, spread misinformation, or even be used for malicious purposes is a real concern that requires proactive measures to mitigate. Google recognizes these challenges and is committed to developing and deploying Gemini 2.0 responsibly and ethically. One key area of focus is ensuring that Gemini 2.0 is not used to create or spread harmful content. This includes developing mechanisms to detect and filter out hate speech, misinformation, and other forms of harmful content. Furthermore, Google is actively working on methods to prevent malicious actors from exploiting Gemini 2.0 for nefarious purposes, such as generating deepfakes or spreading propaganda. Another important aspect of ethical AI development is transparency. Users have the right to know how Gemini 2.0 works, how their data is being used, and what steps are being taken to ensure their privacy and security. Google is committed to providing users with clear and concise information about Gemini 2.0's capabilities, limitations, and potential risks. By fostering transparency and open dialogue, Google aims to build trust and ensure that Gemini 2.0 is used in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. The future unfolds, Gemini's potential impact. The arrival of Gemini 2.0 marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of AI, ushering in a new era of intelligent systems that have the potential to reshape our world in profound ways. As Gemini 2.0 continues to learn and evolve, its impact will be felt across various industries, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. In healthcare, Gemini 2.0's ability to analyze vast amounts of medical data could lead to earlier and more accurate diagnoses, personalized treatment plans, and even the discovery of new drugs and therapies. In education, Gemini 2.0 could personalize learning experiences, provide real-time feedback, and make education more accessible to students of all backgrounds. The possibilities are virtually limitless. However, the future of Gemini 2.0 is not without its challenges. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's crucial to address the ethical implications, ensure responsible development, and foster a future where AI benefits all of humanity. By prioritizing ethical considerations, promoting transparency, and engaging in open dialogue, we can harness the transformative power of Gemini 2.0 to create a brighter and more equitable future for all. A new paradigm in AI. In conclusion, Google's Gemini 2.0 represents a paradigm shift in artificial intelligence, ushering in an era of unprecedented capabilities and transformative potential. Its multimodal mastery, natural language processing prowess, and robust security measures set a new benchmark for AI innovation. From revolutionizing productivity to empowering parents and addressing ethical considerations, Gemini 2.0 is poised to reshape our world in profound ways. As we stand on the cusp of this exciting new frontier, it's imperative to approach the development and deployment of Gemini 2.0 with a sense of responsibility, ensuring that it benefits humanity as a whole. By fostering transparency, promoting ethical considerations, and engaging in open dialogue, we can harness the transformative power of Gemini 2.0 to create a brighter and more equitable future for all. The journey into the age of intuitive AI has just begun, and the possibilities are limitless.